It's handled WTI.
This bright shower head is phenomenal. The best thing about it is how long the cord is. It is so nice to be able to use this to wash the shampoo out of my daughter's hair. It also is phenomenal for cleaning. So not only do you have this long cord, but you hit this button on the back and it becomes like a hose where it has an extremely strong spray to clean. The nozzle has a fully adjustable head. You can go left, right, up, and down, so it's very adjustable for however you want this shower head to work. It comes with everything you need, including the Teflon tape, and installation is a piece of cake. Everything screwed on very, very easily. You don't have to over tighten it, just a nice hand tighten. My son installed this in less than 3 minutes. It was incredible. So everything just screws into each other and then your shower head is installed. This is such a nice shower head and it was really impressive how much stronger the pressure was than our previous one. So if you were looking for a new shower head, this one is super cool and has extra features.
But that's just my point of view.